Good morning. Today I'm declaring a drought emergency in the state of California because we're facing perhaps the worst drought that California has ever seen since records began being kept about 100 years ago. Through the drought declaration, I also call for conservation by all citizens, by those in rural areas and those in our cities. Everyone should try to do at least 20% conservation of their water use. This takes a coming together of all the people of California to deal with this serious and prolonged event of nature. There's not a government program that in and of itself can totally compensate for the lack of rain. Hopefully it'll rain eventually, but in the meantime we have to do our part.